but they don't disclose that their mother-in-law passed away from natural causes in the home 6 years ago. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, disclosing when somebody has passed away on or in the property. California law states that a seller only has to disclose a death in the property within the 3 years that it happened. So realistically, 3 years and 1 day, they're no longer legally obligated to disclose that somebody died in the property. And while that's legal in the court, on the paperwork, with the DRE, with the Board of Realtors, that may not be the best way to handle the transaction. Here's why. Let's say, unfortunately, a family member or somebody passed away in the home, and let's say it was 6 years ago. You're not legally obligated to disclose it, but don't you think that the new owners are going to find out about this at some point? I want you to imagine a buyer buying the home and finding out that the sellers have had, let's say, Rockwell Pest Solutions come and spray for ants and spiders every month for the last 6 years because during the summer, there's often an infestation of ants in the yards that sometimes get in the house. They've disclosed that there was a roof leak, but the drywall was repaired, the roof was repaired. They disclose that there's recurring maintenance on the drains, but they don't disclose that their mother-in-law passed away from natural causes in the home 6 years ago. Do you think there's a good chance that that new owner, the buyer, is going to be taking out the trash cans or maybe doing gardening in the front yard, and at some point a neighbor who has lived in the neighborhood and knows what's gone on is going to say, "It's so nice to meet you. I'm so glad you moved to the neighborhood. It was a shame about what happened to Bill's mother-in-law, isn't it? I mean, it was terrible watching. She was sick for so long, and I'm glad she passed away peacefully in your home, surrounded by her loved ones." And in some regards, that's beautiful. I mean, God, we can only hope to be so lucky that we pass away peacefully, surrounded by everybody who loves us and that we love. But all of a sudden, well, why didn't they disclose that? They call their agent. Agent says, well, they're not legally obligated to. Well, maybe if we told them up front that 6 years ago, a family member passed away in the home of natural causes, it wouldn't be a surprise and they wouldn't feel angry about it after the fact. Let's always approach these things with more disclosure up front.